Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're going to the beach. It is July 21st, 2024 and we're going to Playa Linda Beach. Playa Linda Beach is a part of the Canaveral National Seashore, which boasts pristine, undeveloped shoreline and serene surroundings. We love this beach. It stretches for miles and Playa Linda is a very nice place to enjoy just nature. And if you're ever in town, this is a good place to watch a rocket launch if there's one going on. This beach is managed by the National Park Service. Playa Linda Beach requires $20 for entrance, and then I believe we bought the pass, the annual pass, and we paid $45, and we're going to get our money's worth. My husband saw a TikTok, so we're going to try this shredded beef sub with provolone and French onion soup and some green beans and the horseradish sauce. Here's the chopped up onions. Now he's going to liberally salt and pepper the beef on all sides. Here it's going in the pan. We're going to give it a good sear on all sides. He's also going to do sauteed onions, mushrooms, red wine, French onion soup, and a beef broth. And we're going to mix it all together and put it in this pot. And we're going to simmer it off for 2 hours. He removed the beef, and now we're going to sear up the onions and the beef juices. Now the beef goes back in on top of the mushrooms and the onion. Now we're going in with some Worcestershire sauce. Some beef broth, and then he does like a half a cup of water to kind of cut it down a little bit. Here's a little half a can of water. And next we're going to go in with the French onion soup. And he's also going to put a little bit of water in that soup can too to add to the roast. Okay, we're going to check back in like an hour and a half. My hubby is in the garage putting together some shelves, but I wanted to check in on this roast. We did add some extra mushrooms, and he added some extra garlic and a little extra wine. Ooh, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat. Now we're just removing the roast, and it is literally falling apart. It is mouth-watering. It is so good. Okay, now he's going to shred it up and get it ready for the hoagie rolls that we have. And we're going to add some horseradish sauce and some provolone cheese on top. And then we're going to pop it in the toaster oven just to get that cheese toasted down. I'm excited.
It's going to be good.
With the horseradish and the provolone and the bread.
I'm going to cut it in half. Half is going to be my sandwich. And then you're probably going to eat a baby sandwich, so you'll eat half of that.
Christ. Okay.
But
we'll see.
We'll see what happens.
Okay, friends, the beef is going down on the bun. And then we're going to add some provolone cheese on top. And we're going to put it in the toaster oven. There is some horseradish sauce on the one side of the hoagie roll. Yes, this sandwich is amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.